Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel, all right? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. And in my previous video, you guys showered me so much love. It was so overwhelming. Thank you guys so much for always coming through for your girl. So in today's video, I don't even need to talk much. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you feeling the look? If you love this hairstyle and you love what you're seeing, this video is definitely for you because I'm going to be showing you how I made this style. Alright, so let's get started. Hi guys, so welcome back. The first thing I want to do now is to comb my hair. I already added water and leave-in conditioner. It's really important so my hair could feel soft when I want to manipulate it. So yeah, just comb my hair out and then we'll get started. At this point, I'm going to part my hair into two. It's not going to be equal, just make the back a little bit bigger than the one in the front. So as you can see, I'm making sure I'm getting the lines very straight. So just make sure that the front part is quite smaller than the back so that we can achieve this style that we want to make. At some point, I needed to be sure if the pattern was ending at the same side that it started. So I had to take a look at the right and the left part so I could get it correctly. So you might want to just do that when you are trying to part your own hair too. Now that I'm done separating the two parts, the next thing I want to do now is make some cornrows at the back of my hair. Trust me, these cornrows do not have to be perfect. So you guys will see what I'm referring to, because what I also did on my head, I know that I can't take it out, but because of the style we're making, it's not really important for it to be neat or for you to get that patterns really clear and clean. But just make sure that when you're making the cornrows, it's not too tight. This is because the extension we want to use is still going to pass underneath your cornrows. Okay, so while doing that, let me tell you guys a backstory. So when I wanted to film this video, I had this style in mind, but I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. You guys will see at the end of this video because what? Anyways, so I kept using that as an excuse to like procrastinate. Meanwhile, all I needed was just to set up my equipment and start filming. But because of that voice that kept saying that, oh, you can do it next week, you can just postpone doing this, I'm like, no, I have people that I'm accountable to. I have my lovely subscribers that watch out for my videos every week. So what am I trying to talk about? When we have to do some things at a particular time, but we tend to shift it to when it is convenient for us, it actually creates a kind of a setback, because that time that you let go and you didn't take that action, you can't have it back. So you need to now find a way to squeeze in time to do what you were supposed to do before. And that way you are already putting more pressure on yourself. Maybe the deadline is so close and you need more time to work on that project. Okay, so let's digress a bit. As you can see, I am done with these cornrows and they're nothing close to perfect, but we have what we want. So this is the kinky hair we're going to be using. I got just one pack, but I was skeptical if it's going to be enough for this style. Okay, so we see if it was really enough or not. So I'm cutting off this part because I do not need it, and then I'm cutting away the bands because I do not want to just remove them like that. It's going to mar the kinky extension. I'm taking out bits by bits of what I want to use, and then you can see I'm doing it very fast because if you don't do that, it's going to tangle. So get your crochet, put it in your cornrow, and then bring it out. I don't know if that was simple enough, but basically just cornrow this kinky on, did I say cornrow? Sorry, I mean crochet this kinky on your cornrows, all right? So I'm going to take my kinky hair again, detach it very fast so it doesn't tangle. Take your crochet hair, then let your kinky go under parts of your weave, so not necessarily under this cornrow, so that you're going to get a fuller expression of the hair when you're done. So I'm going to be doing this to the rest of the cornrows. So back to what I was saying, when you have the time to do what you're supposed to, just do it. I mean, do not overthink it. What are the chances of you not doing it at that point, to what it will result to if you did not do it at that point, at that moment? Because at the end of the day, it's just going to leave you stressed out, not meeting up with deadlines, and beating yourself up that you're not doing your best, whereas the time that you should have used to do it, you did not. You shifted, you keep procrastinating it. So that was one thing I learned while I was making this video, and I was really happy I filmed it the time I did, because it was really, really necessary. So this is me encouraging you, when you have to do something at a certain point, as long as it is necessary and it's what is required of you, you should do it at that moment. Ask yourself why you are taking this action and what's at stake if you don't. I think that would help you, to put yourself together and get on that stuff and do it now, like right now. Guys, I'm done at the back. It's time to focus on the front. So I'm trying to lay the frontal part with gel. I'm walking through my hair bit by bit so that the gel can really slick down my hair. That's one hack you can do if you want the gel to really get into your hair, and you have that really slick look. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Guys, you won't believe that at this point I realized that I wasn't filming. So what I did was just to pack this hair with a rubber band, and then I did a braid. So yeah, I'm turning that braid, just turning it round, because we are going to crochet that little braid that we did, because we're going to need that kinky hair. All right, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm crocheting this part bit by bit so that we get a kind of fuller expression of the hair in the front. So I'm done, and it's time to roll the kinky hair as a bun. So you guys get the reason behind using the kinky extension in front too, so that I won't get a scanty looking bun. I mean, it's not going to be fine. Okay, so this will help to have a very nice bun in the front, because that's what we're looking for, right? It's okay to use your bobby pins to hold down the bun, just so that it is well secured and it's not, coming out after 2 or 3 days. So it's time to, lay my edges, the part that I love when I make my hair. So the edges are looking great and the hair is already giving. Guys, I've not even done anything on my face yet. Like it's already giving what's supposed to give. So I'm just cutting out parts that I feel is necessary, you know, just to make the hair look better at the back. And I'm going to apply this serum on my hair. It's going to give it this shine and soft look. Would you guys believe if I told you that I didn't finish all of the kinky extension? I mean, anyways, whoa, guys, look at, no, I mean, tell me if you take this hairstyle to any event, any birthday dinner, any date, and you will not be turning heads. Like, this hair is just perfect for any kind of outing. Trust me on that. Like, I'm feeling myself in this video. I know that this hair is giving everything it's supposed to give. You guys will need to let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, okay? And thank you guys for joining me today. Do not forget to like this video, share, and subscribe if you've not. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.